Had to change the serpentine belt on a Toyota Camry 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. The concept will apply to basically any belt, but the first thing you do every time is just draw up a diagram of the belt. This one is pretty simple, but always draw a diagram first, even if the diagram is printed on the car. In this case, I don't see it anywhere, but this is the device you're going to be working with. Here is your belt tensioner. You just put a 14 millimeter wrench right here. It's a cog right on the tensioner up top. You just put it on like so. Yeah, you could use a 9/16 wrench if you insist. And then my trick is to take the tension off and then push aside this guy on the coolant pump. You got the generator, the coolant pump, air conditioning, compressor, and the engine, the crankshaft. A little hard to see, but the way it's done, I'll do this the best I can. Over here, try to position it. All right, do it this time. Yeah, it's gonna be good enough. All you do is pull your wrench toward you. You could use a socket or ratchet, I guess, if you want. Just give it a pull, tension off, take off the coolant pump. And there, your belt is off. Just take it off of all of the pulleys. Now, to put on this new one, I'm gonna need both hands, but I'll just show you how it goes back on. You just line up all of your pulleys, except for the one that's easiest to get to, which in this case is the generator. You give it a pull, and your belt is on. Now, just real quick, it's only going to take you a few minutes, but when you take the belt off, inspect all of the pulleys. Make sure they spin nice. Make sure they're not locked. Make sure you don't hear any unusual noises. This belt, I'm starting to see a few cracks in it. It's not making any noise, but 110,000 miles, it's probably worth the $20 to throw on a new belt. I happen to like Gates, but the Daco works fine. Whatever you're done with, please like and subscribe if this was helpful. Thank you.